What's up guys, Jesse here, and today we've got something in the studio that I did not think I'd be able to get my hands on. And you probably already know from the title, but I'm talking of course of the iPhone 12 Pro. Now I've got a friend who was gracious enough to let me borrow this for a week to do a review and video on, so I thought I'd share this unboxing experience with you guys. So this video is just going to be an unboxing and my first impressions of the device, and if by the end of this you guys still have any questions about it, just make sure to leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to either get to it right down there or in my full review coming out within the next couple of weeks. So without further ado, let's just break into the box and let's head to the unboxing table. Alright, so we are now at the unboxing table, and as you guys can probably notice, this box is a lot smaller than last year's version. And as you probably all already know, it's because of the fact that they did not include a charger in this year's iPhone. Now, they're trying to spin it as an environmental move, but I think we all know what it really is. They're just trying to save a couple bucks without including the charger in the box. But without further ado, let's just peel into this plastic. I got my unboxing knife right over here just in case we need it, but I'm just going to be quiet for this little unveiling. Alright, so plastic's off. Now we're just gonna reveal what is inside. So I've got the graphite version here, not the Pacific blue that everyone else seems to be getting, but to me this seems to be a very, very attractive phone. Just gonna kind of hold it out for you guys to see. Now I really love this trend of having the frosted back on the back of phones because first of all, it doesn't include fingerprints and it just feels really nice. But speaking of fingerprints, you can see I'm already starting to get some fingerprints on these stainless steel side rails. Alright, now let's reveal the screen. And there it is. Alright, so let's just put that to the side for now and see what else is in the box. Now on the top over here, we've got sticker, SIM tool, and some paperwork. And at the bottom, we've got the USB-C to lightning cable, and that seems to be all that's in the box. So let's just put that to the side. And let's power on the phone. Now, while we're powering that on, I actually have something else here with me, and it is the MagSafe charger. I made sure to get this because I feel like it's one of those things that is really exciting about the new iPhone, and I think actually one of the most important features on it. So also very minimal packaging on this, just the charger and a couple pieces of cardboard to keep it in place. And yeah, there it is. Before we really dive into the phone, let's just smack that on there and see how that feels. Now I gotta admit, it's really cool. let's put that aside now. Okay, so phone is all set up and ready to go. Oh, except the SIM card. Let's let's do that real fast. Okay, so SIM card is installed now, and yeah, this is gonna be my phone for the next week. And yeah, just like I said earlier, make sure to put any questions you have in the comment section down below. But yeah, so first impressions of the phone though, it's really nice. I really like this squared off design compared to last year's curved, like a lot more, and it feels a lot more industrial and just a lot more like it really means business now. And I feel like the shiny sides, when it doesn't have fingerprints, it looks really nice, but it's looking like it's never gonna not have fingerprints. So there's that. And one of the things I'm really excited about with the iPhone compared to like any other phone is having a physical mute switch, because there are so many times where I wish I had this, and it's just like it's much easier to hit a physical switch rather than going into the settings and doing it that way. Yeah, let's open up the camera and just take a quick look. At the cameras. Yeah, you can see my room's pretty messy right now. See, I got a little hobo over there. Let's check out this zoom in shot. Oh yeah. First photo on the new iPhone 12 Pro. Yeah, and first impressions of the camera is pretty good too. iPhones always do have like very reliable cameras, so really no surprise there. I will be definitely doing a more in-depth analysis of the camera though in the full review, so just to make sure you stay tuned for that, and you know, subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, so I mean, like that's really all I have for this video. Like I said in the beginning, just make sure to put any questions you have about this phone, anything you want to know, in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get to it. And you know, since I'm such a small channel right now, I should be able to get to pretty much every question that you guys have. And yeah, so just don't be afraid to reach out, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe just so you don't miss the full review when it does come out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.